Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen. Warning, warning, warning. Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G.
I love you, Miss G.
Today we're going to be cooking fresh tomato sauce with aubergine. This is perfect to go on top of our fresh pasta. The ingredients you will need are an aubergine, tomatoes, garlic, basil, thyme, oregano, olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it. The equipment you will need: a pot, a chopping board, a tray with tin foil, a mixing spoon, a sharp knife, a garlic crusher if you have one, and a masher. Step 1. Preheat your oven at 150. Get an adult to do this. Step 2. Chop your aubergine. Ask an adult to help. Both aubergine and tomatoes are technically fruit. Botany is the study of plants. Botanically, they are considered fruits. They both have edible seeds inside. However, people consider them vegetables because we usually have them in main dishes and not in our desserts. Step 3. Put your chopped aubergine and tomatoes in the tray. Step 4. Toss the aubergine and tomato in olive oil, basil, oregano and thyme.
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Step 5. Put in the oven. Aubergine plants can grow 110 aubergines. That's a lot of aubergines. Aubergine plants can grow between 5 to 6 meters high. That's 4/5 as tall as a giraffe and 3/5 as long as a London bus. Its glossy surface can vary in colour. It can be between pink, red, yellow, and it even can be striped.
Sounds interesting.
Step 6. Cook the garlic in olive oil in your pot. Aubergines are staple food for many countries around the world. In Greece, they make moussaka. In Italy, they make aubergine parmigiana. Yummy. In the Middle East, they make baba ganoush. 92% of this aubergine is made of water, 6% is a carbohydrate, and 1% is protein. Volume is the space in which an object takes up. 50% of aubergines are air.
What?
Eating aubergines reduces stress. It's filled with amino acid, which helps reduce anxiety, improves our sleep, and relaxes our minds. Once you put the tomatoes in with the garlic, you can now crush them with your masher. Like aubergines, tomatoes are considered a fruit too. They also come in a variety of colours. You can get green tomatoes, yellow, even black and white.
Miss G, say what?
Did you know the aubergine, potato, and the tomato are from the same family? What? They don't even look alike. The Tomatina is an annual Spanish festival where they throw tomatoes at each other. It's estimated they throw 150,000 tons of tomatoes at each other. The largest tomato recorded in history was found in Oklahoma, USA in 1986. It weighed 3.5 kilograms. That's the weight of an average UK newborn baby. Tomatoes have lots of health benefits. Tomatoes contain lots of antioxidants. Can you say antioxidants? Antioxidants. 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 Antioxidants help fight off harmful diseases like heart disease. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C, which helps our immune system. Tomatoes contain calcium. Calcium improves our bones. Once the tomatoes are finely cooked, you can add your cooked aubergine and mix in. Now, cook your pasta. And finally, add the delicious sauce of your pasta. That's it from today's Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I'll be back again with some more delicious recipes, but don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell to find out when I'm next uploading. You know you don't want to miss out.
Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe for more of this.